Oh, this lighting though. Hey. What's up, YouTube? Today is a big day. Hi. Hi. I like your top. That's cute. Say hello.
Hello. Are you vlogging this?
Absolutely. How are you? You look pretty. Thanks. I curled my hair because I was nervous.
I feel like I'm gonna puke. I'm not gonna lie.
At least you've gotten a tattoo before.
Yeah, and it was like the most painful experience of my life.
Can you not? Can you just be like, it was so much fun, it was totally worth it? Like,
well, I would be lying.
Lie to me! We're getting tattoos today.
Because our girls won nationals.
So we promised our girls that if they won nationals, that their coaches would get tattoos. I think this was even my stupid idea.
It was.
Insert that clip here.
All four of us have decided that you guys win today.
What? First place! First place.
First place.
What?
All four. It seemed a good idea at the time.
It worked. I mean, they won. They like made up a chant about us getting like dancing llama tattoos.
That's for Paloma.
Like they did hands in dancing llamas instead of like they usually do hands in and they say falcon. So today we are getting tattoos.
I'm pretty sure there was literally a moment too right after they performed that we looked at each other and went, oh my god, we have to get tattoos.
We were like up at the top talking to the parents after their performance and we were like, yeah, I think we're gonna have to get tattoos. And they were like joking, making fun of us, like, oh, what are you gonna get? No, we actually have to get tattoos now. But first, we're gonna go surprise one of our girls because she is in like her school play. And so we're gonna go see it, but we didn't tell her. Obviously, we love these little boogers way too much. It's gonna be a fun day. We're getting a drink before, right?
I hope so.
Show was really, really cute.
So cute. It's cute.
And our little girl did such a good job.
Not a shocker. She's amazing.
So now we're gonna go get food.
Yes.
And
dun dun dun.
Then
Dun dun dun.
find out. We're getting inked.
It'll be fine. We'll survive.
Are you guys excited? Are you nervous? No, just me.
Just you.
I'm not nervous.
Oh, liar, liar, liar.
Yeah, so we all have one. You don't have one yet.
But I can't watch it. Oh my god.
Just don't move, okay?
Yeah, don't move.
I'll do a little line first.
I mean, it hurts. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse.
No. I mean, no tax, see? We would never have you do that. Something crazy.
Yes, you would.
We kind of would.
Evil laugh.
So you're done. Took all of like 5 minutes. Wasn't too painful.
No, it wasn't that.
I mean, it sucks, but it's not as bad as we made it seem.
Look at how good.
Yeah, I do want to do the numbers in gray.
It's your turn. get to laugh at you now. Look at me. Oh. You did a good job. You made me feel
We're done.
a lot more comfortable. It wasn't so bad.
No, now Lori and Kelsey are getting theirs.
We did it. Yeah, now we're just waiting for Kelsey and Lori, but it's nice out and they wanted sodas, so
pretty.
we're doing that.
Can you get the
Let me show you the
sunset?
sunset. I don't know if you can see. Kind of. That's pretty. And he did a good job. I was really happy with it. Sorry, Mom.
Family friendly.
Family friendly. I see you. Oh, hi. How you doing?
I can do it.
Like it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it focusing?
No, it didn't. Yay. Hey, we did it! We did it!